this video I will share with you the best way to send money to Mexico. Whether you're from Europe, the United States, Australia, or a bunch of different countries, this option that I'll show you in this video, which is Remitly, will work for you. It's really cheap and easy. And to get started, you can go to click on the link down in the description and that will take you to this page. Now from here you will see that it will be set to sending to Mexico automatically. All you need to do is right here select your country. So they have pretty much every country in Europe and they have some countries outside of Europe such as Australia, Canada, United States, United Arab Emirates, New Zealand and a few more. Now for example I'll set it to United States. Now you will see US to Mexico, and if you sign up through the link down in the description, when you send at least $100, you will get a $10 discount. So for example, if you say 100 right here, you will see that the discount will be applied automatically. And for the delivery method, you can pick any of these, for example, a debit card deposit, and then just go and click on get this rate. Now I already have an account, so I can simply log in. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up. Signing up only takes a few minutes, so just go and sign up by entering your email, password and confirm your email. Then after creating your account, you will see something like this. So go and click send money, then here click new recipient. And now here you can go and choose how much you would like to send. Again, if you send over $100 or the equivalent in your currency, you will get a discount on your first transfer. So after entering how much you would like to send, you can just enter your recipient's details and then actually go and pay for it. And after you pay for it, you have successfully transferred the money to Mexico. So now you know the best way to send money to Mexico. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.